cliche thing to say beauty is on the inside. Of course it is. It is the most important beauty. I think you can be as beautiful as you are on the outside, but if you don't have a good heart, I think that it counts for nothing. So you become unattractive anyway. So yeah, I do think that beauty is very, very important on the inside, and it's not so important on the outside. But if you have it, that's great. But I think it's not the most important thing. I mean, it's something that goes with the territory. I think that, when you become a celebrity today with social media and so many websites talking about fashion every time you walk out, what you're wearing, how bad or good it is, I think it's important to look nice. I'm like any other woman. I like to look nice. I like to be fashionable. I think even if I wasn't a celebrity, I would be the same way that I am. So yeah, I mean, but for me, I would rather be remembered as the best tennis player and not probably the best fashionista. But if I can do both together, then why not? Somehow God helps me, and I try to, I think, thank God for electronics, and thank God for cell phones and all the, so I think to be in touch is a lot easier today than it was maybe 10 years ago. So a lot of it goes into scheduling, a lot of it goes into, but it's a busy life and I wouldn't have it any other way. I don't know, honestly. I really hope there will be someone. There are a few girls who have been very good and promising over the last few years. There's Ankita Raina, there's Karman Kaur Thandi, there's Pratna Thombare. So hopefully one of them will come out and take that place.